Jasper, yeah,
Yes,
come from
yes, yes,
church.
Constantine. Me know a long time me not go to church. But when you have a burning issue, you have to find God. So I am running down to Mr. Pam. Go see if we get one phone credit. As you know, burial come and in the internet when me did get from whoever castle that he cut off. But me see the people them in the area you whole of last week. I put up back internet and Casilda no say nothing to me and he no say nothing to Iris. Figure with the password. So me no got no internet. Well, Constantine, I never know anything about buying any data service and put pan phone. I don't know anything about those type of thing. I want call me want make to me daughter a foreign. Hmm? Yes, because me have to call Blossom very urgently. So me want to get one credit to put pan the phone to call Blossom. So me never know anything about data service and international minutes because to me get the late internet, but I have to see what I can do. Me catch the Bible under me arm, yeah, and take time and go down the road, they don't have palm, go get the credit. I will talk to you when I'm coming back. I will talk to you. Okay then, all right then, Constantine. Well, make I put on the Bible and talk to you. I want to call Blossom because Blossom left and go got foreign from Brian at 3 year old. He left the picnic pan with me Iris and Jasper. Hmm? And all she do is send money and borrow, which is good, which is very, very good. Hmm? She try to help out as best as she can. But I'm telling you, this coming back to school, Brian not stay here. Brian not staying inside the house because me know how and can hardly make it. And he not listen to me. Was he not listen to Iris? He not listen to nobody. Because the company them when me see take up with don't road there. Hey, hey. Every minute them name call up in all sort of things. Hmm? Me too old, you know. Hmm? Me too old for people come on me yard, come do me Irish things. So me I call him mother and tell her say, send him go and papa or somewhere about, but he not turn this back to school. Hmm? When him a go to school a morning time, him back big pan him back like amper donkey. I don't know where having there because all and all me say to him, come make me search it back, Brian. He not make me search it back. Mhm. And as you see me there on me stick here now, me can't run, me can hardly walk, and me not see good. Mhm. So me not take it on. Me not take it on. So a long time me not go to church, but I'm telling you, me have to start see if me can scramble go down at church because I was talking to the pastor, and pastor said to me, say, if we start come back at church, we not too old where we can cram to come at church. And we can see if we can pray. Because this year need prayer and fasting. Well, both the fasting, me can't do too much of it because as you know, me have a bad tongue, okay, so me can't take too much of the fasting. But me can't go down on knee. I sit down, me have to sit down and pray because me can't go down on my knee again. I mean, not take on too much of it. Blossom have to go come back and find a way out for him picnic. Eh? These parents, these two careless. Eh? Them believe to say because them are sent back one little something come here for help out. Eh? You must take up all of their responsibility. Well, I am not having it. I am not having it. Oh, me need to live me whole days good. Right. Tired of it, man. From him a 3, and boy a 15 now. Him not listen. Him not listen. I don't see him now want come to nothing in a life. All him pick up with is this out of the music and the badness and the carelessness. Which me not depend it. Me not depend it. Well, when me ready, me go to a pan, go sit down and drink one little liquor me and my friend Constantine. But away from that, me nah do nothing out of way. And even the Bible tell us a liquor wine is good for the stomach. Well, all right, yeah, all right. Me I come go up because as Iris look round and she not see me, she upset. So me I come go up. All right.